Neymar Jr., one of the most talented and entertaining footballers of his generation, has become a global icon through his incredible skills, charisma, and remarkable career. From his early days in Brazil to his stints at Barcelona and Paris Saint-Germain, Neymar's journey is a story of talent, hard work, and immense success. In this video, we will explore his life journey, lifestyle, net worth, and car collection. Life and background. Neymar da Silva Santos Jr., commonly known as Neymar Jr., was born on February 5, 1992, in Mogi das Cruzes, São Paulo, Brazil. He was born to Neymar Santos Sr., a former footballer, and Nadine Gonçalves. Neymar grew up in a loving and supportive family, and from a young age, he showed a natural talent for football. Neymar's family moved to São Vicente in 1999, where he began playing for the youth team Portuguesa Santista. His talent was evident early on, and by the age of 11, Neymar joined Santos FC, one of Brazil's most famous football clubs. His skills, speed, and flair quickly made him a standout player in the youth teams. Number 2. Breakthrough at Santos FC. Neymar's journey to stardom began at Santos FC, where he made his professional debut at the age of 17 in 2009. His performances were nothing short of spectacular, and he quickly became one of the most exciting young talents in world football. Neymar's dribbling creativity and goal-scoring ability made him a fan favorite and a key player for Santos. In 2010, Neymar helped Santos win the Campeonato Paulista, the Brazilian Cup, and the Copa Libertadores, the most prestigious club competition in South American football. His performances earned him numerous individual awards, including the South American Footballer of the Year in 2011 and 2012. Number 3. Move to Barcelona. In 2013, Neymar made a high-profile move to Europe, signing with FC Barcelona. The transfer fee was reported to be around $57 million, making it one of the most expensive transfers at the time. At Barcelona, Neymar joined forces with Lionel Messi and Luis Suarez, forming one of the most formidable attacking trios in football history, known as MSN. Neymar's time at Barcelona was incredibly successful. He won 2 La Liga titles, 3 Copa del Rey titles, and the UEFA Champions League in 2015. His partnership with Messi and Suarez was crucial in Barcelona's treble-winning season in 2014-2015. Neymar's flair, skill, and goal-scoring ability made him one of the top players in the world. Record transfer to Paris Saint-Germain. In 2017, Neymar made headlines again with a record-breaking transfer to Paris Saint-Germain, PSG. The French club paid his release clause of $222 million, making him the most expensive player in football history. Neymar's move to PSG was seen as a step to lead his own team and help the club achieve European success. At PSG, Neymar continued to showcase his incredible talent. He won multiple Ligue 1 titles, French Cups, and French League Cups. His performances helped PSG reach the UEFA Champions League final in 2020, although they were defeated by Bayern Munich. Despite some injuries, Neymar remained one of the most influential and skilled players in the world. Before we continue further, tell us, are you enjoying the video? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos on Watch Celebrity 360. Let's continue now. Number 4. International career. Neymar has been a crucial player for the Brazilian national team since making his debut in 2010. He quickly became the team's star player, known for his dribbling creativity and goal-scoring ability. Neymar played a vital role in Brazil's victory at the 2013 FIFA Confederations Cup and was the top scorer and best player of the tournament. In the 2014 FIFA World Cup held in Brazil, Neymar's performances were outstanding until he suffered a severe back injury in the quarterfinals, which forced him to miss the rest of the tournament. Neymar's crowning moment with the national team came in 2016 when he led Brazil to win the gold medal at the Rio de Janeiro Olympics. This victory was significant for Brazil, as it was the first Olympic gold medal in the country's football history. Neymar scored the winning penalty in the final against Germany, cementing his place in Brazilian football history. Number 5. Lifestyle. Neymar's lifestyle reflects his status as a global football superstar. He is known for his flamboyant and outgoing personality both on and off the pitch. Neymar enjoys the finer things in life and is often seen attending high-profile events, parties, and social gatherings. Despite his glamorous lifestyle, Neymar is also a devoted family man. He has a close relationship with his family, particularly his father, Neymar Santos Sr., who has been a significant influence and mentor throughout his career. Neymar has a son, Davi Luca, born in 2011, and he often shares moments with his son on social media. Neymar's personal life has also been in the spotlight due to his high-profile relationships and friendships with other celebrities. He is friends with many famous personalities, including musicians, actors, and fellow athletes. Neymar's social media presence is massive, with millions of followers on platforms like Instagram, where he shares glimpses of his life, training, and adventures. Number 6. Net worth. As of 2024, Neymar's estimated net worth is around $200 million. His wealth comes from a combination of his football salary endorsements and business ventures. Neymar's transfer to PSG included a substantial contract, making him one of the highest-paid footballers in the world. Neymar's endorsements with major brands are a significant source of his income. His partnership with Nike, which later shifted to Puma, has been particularly lucrative. He has been the face of numerous advertising campaigns and has his own line of football boots and sportswear. Neymar's investments in real estate and other business ventures also contribute to his net worth. He owns several properties in Brazil, Spain, and France, including luxurious mansions and apartments. Number 7. Luxury car collection. Neymar has a passion for cars and owns an impressive collection of luxury vehicles. His car collection reflects his taste for elegant speed and style. Some of the notable cars in Neymar's collection include 1. Ferrari 458 Spider, a stunning and powerful sports car known for its sleek design and high performance. 2. Maserati MC12, a rare and expensive supercar that combines speed and luxury. 3. Audi R8 Spider, a high-performance sports car that offers a thrilling driving experience. 4. Porsche Panamera Turbo, a luxurious and fast car that provides comfort and style. 5. Lamborghini Veneno, one of the most exclusive and expensive cars in his collection, known for its unique design and incredible speed. 6. Aston Martin Vulcan, a limited edition supercar that showcases Neymar's taste for rare and high-performance vehicles. 7. Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, a stylish and powerful car that combines elegance with performance. 8. Bentley Continental GT, a luxurious grand tourer that offers comfort and sophistication. 9. McLaren 570S, a high-performance sports car known for its speed and agility. 10. Volkswagen Touareg, a luxurious SUV that provides comfort and space, ideal for family travel. Number 8. Impact and legacy. Neymar's impact on football is significant and far-reaching. His incredible skills, flair, and creativity have made him one of the most entertaining and influential players of his generation. He has inspired millions of fans and aspiring footballers worldwide with his performances on the pitch. Neymar's influence extends beyond his achievements in football. He is a global ambassador for the sport, promoting football and inspiring the next generation of players. His story of rising from humble beginnings in Brazil to becoming a global superstar resonates with people from all walks of life. Neymar Jr.'s journey from Santos to stardom is a remarkable story of talent, hard work, and perseverance. His achievements in football are impressive, and his lifestyle, net worth, and car collection reflect his success and dedication to his craft. Neymar's legacy will be remembered not just for his records and trophies, but for his impact on the sport and the lives he has touched through his philanthropy and inspiring journey. As he continues to play and contribute to the sport, his story remains a testament to what can be achieved with passion, determination, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, stay tuned.